Mate, serious question. Does alcohol actually kill brain cells? Asking for, well, me.
No, mate. Your brain's fine. It's your dignity that's in danger.
Oh, thank God. I was worried every pint was deleting a memory.
The truth is, alcohol doesn't kill brain cells. It just messes with how they talk to each other. Like, your neurons get drunk too.
Wait, so my brain's basically a pub after 11 p.m? Everyone's shouting, forgetting stuff, hitting on the wrong synapse.
Exactly. It's chaos, but reversible chaos. Unless you drink like it's a sport.
So my hangovers are just my neurons filing complaints?
Pretty much. They're trying to remember how to walk in a straight line again.
But people always say alcohol kills brain cells. Where did that even come from?
Old studies on rats from the 19th century. They pumped them with enough booze to fuel a festival, then wondered why the rats forgot their own names.
Mate, if someone gave me 3 bottles of gin, I'd forget I was a mammal too.
The actual science says alcohol damages the connections between neurons, slows down communication, but doesn't wipe the hard drive. Your brain's just buffering.
So it's not brain death, it's just temporary stupidity. Got it.
That should be the slogan for half the planet. Temporary stupidity, proudly powered by beer.
Mate, put that on a t-shirt. I'd buy 5. All right then, science boy. If it's not killing brain cells, what the hell's going on during a hangover? Because that's definitely brain damage.
Oh, hangovers are just your body's way of sending a cease and desist letter.
Yeah, it's like, Dear Chip, stop being a moron. Regards, your organs.
Exactly. It's dehydration, low blood sugar, inflamed tissue, and your poor liver screaming for a union rep. The headache? That's basically your brain saying, turn the lights off, you absolute goblin.
Sounds accurate. My brain feels like it's buffering through a YouTube ad.
That's because your brain literally shrinks a bit when you're dehydrated. It pulls slightly away from your skull, which triggers pain receptors.
Wait, so my brain is smaller on Sundays?
Temporarily, yes. It's like a raisin with regrets.
That explains my Sunday decisions. You know what else I heard? That beer kills memory cells. Like, that's why people black out. Is that true, or is that another pub myth?
Technically, it's half true. Alcohol doesn't erase memories, it just blocks your brain from recording them. It's like hitting pause on your mental camera.
So you're telling me I didn't forget? I just never saved the file?
Exactly. You left the club before pressing save as.
That explains so many birthdays.
It's called a blackout. When blood alcohol spikes, it interferes with the hippocampus, the bit that forms memories. You're awake, walking, talking, and collecting regrets in 4K.
So basically, I'm conscious, but useless.
That's your default setting, mate.
Fair enough. All right, Professor Point, quick fire round. Myth-busting time.
Oh, brilliant. My favorite game. Watching you misunderstand science in real time.
Myth 1. Beer before liquor never been sicker. True or false?
False. The order doesn't matter. It's the amount. You feel worse because you think it matters. That's called expectation bias.
Expectation bias? Sounds like my last relationship.
Yeah. She expected you to mature. Terrible bias.
Next one. Hair of the dog. Cure or scam?
Temporary fix. You're numbing symptoms with more alcohol. It's like trying to fix a fire alarm by starting another fire.
That's exactly what I did last weekend.
Of course you did.
Last one. Red wine's good for your heart. True?
In theory, a tiny bit might help. But you get the same benefits from grapes and a walk. The wine industry just has better PR.
So, I've been cardio training with Malo for nothing.
Exactly! You've built endurance in denial, not in fitness.
You know what, Archie? It's kind of comforting though. All those nights out and my brain's still alive.
Alive, yes. Functional, questionable.
I'll take it.
So to sum it up, alcohol doesn't kill brain cells. It just puts them on annual leave. Treat them kindly, feed them water, and maybe skip Tequila Thursdays.
Nah, mate. Tequila Thursdays are sacred.
So is your stupidity.
Cheers to that.
All right, enough science and Shane for one day. We'll see you in the next one.
If I remember it. Cheers.